Hello friends, so here is another question on displacement current. So the question is that an AC voltage is applied directly across an 8 microfarad capacitor. The frequency of the source is 3 kilohertz and the voltage amplitude, which means the maximum value or the positive or negative peak, that is 30 volt, the magnitude. Find the displacement current between the plates of the capacitor. So basically what it is saying is that we have a parallel plate capacitor. It is connected to an alternating voltage, the maximum value of which is 30 volt and frequency is 3 kilohertz. Okay, and the capacitance value is 8 microfarad. Okay, so here we know that any alternating parameter can be expressed as Vmax or whatever maximum value, then sine omega t, where omega is the angular frequency, omega is equal to 2 pi f, which is equal to 2 pi into 3 kilohertz, which is equal to 2 pi into 3 into 10 to the power 3 hertz, which is equal to 6 pi into 10 to the power 3 hertz. Okay, so here we can write this alternating voltage as 30, the maximum value, sine 6 pi into 10 to the power 3 t, this much. Okay, 6 pi into 10 to the power 3 t. Now in the previous question we found out a third way of expressing the displacement current, which is, if you remember, the displacement current is equal to C dV by dt. Okay, C is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor, dV by dt is the rate of change of voltage or electric potential across the plates. So here the value of C is given 8 microfarad, which is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So simply we'll put the value here. So the displacement current is equal to C, that is 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 into d by dt of 30 sine 6 pi into 10 to the power 3 t. Okay, so here it becomes, this is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 30, which is constant, it comes out, then again 6 pi into 10 to the power 3, then derivative of sine is cos, so cos 6 pi into 10 to the power 3 t. This is the result. So the displacement current, that is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 6 into 30. So if we calculate, if we make the calculations, this value, the amplitude of the displacement current, because the displacement current will also be alternating in nature, so here this will be, it is coming around 4.52 cos 6 pi into 10 to the power 3 t, this much. This is the result. So here the important thing is to remember this remember this formula, okay, to remember this third form of expression of displacement current. Okay, so simply directly we have put the values and we got the result. In the previous question we derived how we got this third form of expression. Okay, so you can watch that video to know the answer. Okay, so here is another question on displacement current. So it is given that the displacement current of 4.425 microampere is developed in the space between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor when voltage is changing at a rate of 10 to the power 6 volt per second. The area of each plate of the capacitor is 40 centimeters square. Find the distance between the plates of the capacitor. Okay, so here this question is related to displacement current. So first you have to write the expressions of displacement current, different expressions. So far we have found out three ways of expressing displacement current. First, ID is equal to epsilon 0 d phi E by dt, that is absolute permittivity multiplied with the rate of change of electric flux with respect to time. Then another way is ID is equal to epsilon 0 A, rate of change of electric field with respect to time. This is the second way. And another way is, we have derived in one of the previous questions, ID is equal to C dV by dt, where C is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor and dV by dt is the rate of change of voltage or electric potential between the two plates. So here if you see the question and the data which is given in the question, I think this third way is the most appropriate way to deal with this question. So here displacement current is given, ID is equal to 4.425 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere, microampere it is given. dV by dt is 10 to the power 6 volts per second. Area of the plates, that is 40 centimeters square, which is equal to 40 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. So here we have to find the separation between the plates. So you know that if we write this equation, ID is equal to C dV by dt, we can write it as epsilon 0 A by D into dV by dt, because capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is given by this epsilon 0 A by D. Actually it is epsilon 0 epsilon R, relative permittivity comes into play, but here nothing has been mentioned about that, so we'll keep it this as way, and in this way, absolute permittivity or permittivity of free space, air. So here we have to find D, so we can write it as D is equal to epsilon 0 A by ID into dV by dt, this. Okay, so that is equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into A, that is the area, which is equal to 40 into 10 to the power minus 4, ID, which is equal to how much, the displacement current 4.425 to 10 to the power minus 6, and dV by dt, which is 10 to the power 6. So if we make the calculations, it is coming around approximating, it is coming around 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters, so it will be 8 millimeter. Okay, the separation between the plates, that is equal to 8 millimeter. Okay, so here you see from the basic equation of displacement current, the different variations, 3 variations which we have. By using a particular appropriate equation, depending upon the parameters, the values, the data which is given in the question, we can solve the problem. Okay,